Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your PC without a password. So this is my little niece laptop. Like, we've been trying everything possible to recover the password and we can. So to do this is very easy. We tried different password, like it's not working. So let me, this is how you fix it if you're experiencing similar thing. So the first thing you do is that click on the power button, click on it. Now when you see this come up, do not press anything, hold down shift, hold it down and do not release it, then click on restart. Now hold this, continue holding the shift until the restart button happens. Now it's going to boot you to power to safe mode, and that's where the magic happens. So do not leave it. Mind you, my hand is still there. Still hold it until it boots you to safe mode. So you see, protected by HP Smart. So here, just wait. You see, please wait. You're going to get a notification. Be patient. Make sure you do not leave your hand, because for this to work, your hand has to be there. So until you see the blue screen, then you can release it. Okay, that's still working. Okay, Eureka. So this is what we want, so you can release it. So here you see continue to Windows 11, but we can't continue because this is the last option that we want to use. Now troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see some advanced option. We are going to click on it, then say reset this PC, then let you choose or remove the personal files and keep this, then advanced options. So what we are going to do, we are going to click on reset this PC. Now keep my files. So because your password is saved in the candle file, if you click on keep my files, when it's done with the resetting, it will still require you to put in your password. So what we are going to do, we are going to go for option 2, which is remove everything. So we're going to click option 2, remove everything, and just wait until your password is, until your PC is fully reinstalled. So we go for a second option and just wait. This is getting ready. So this is how to do it. Hope you got value and hope this was able to solve your issue, and good luck. And do not forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Richard Energy. Cheers.